Is your car, when you're driving, does it make clunking noises kind of like this when you're driving down the street every now and then? Well, I'm going to show you how to resolve this issue. The first thing you're going to want to do is go on Amazon, get one of these rubber muffler mounts like the one I have here. If you look up there, there's the existing one that's already on the vehicle. It's kind of worn out, wear and tear. So what you're going to want to do is take your new rubber muffler mount, and we're just going to add it right on top of the one that's already there to give it more stability. And once you do that, you're not going to hear the clunking noise no more. As you can see, I have the new muffler mount installed and there's no more clunking. Hope this helps.